Concealment is paramount when hunting with air rifles. Getting within striking distance means getting past the natural defences of your quarry. The main way to avoid detection is to take movement out of the equation. Get yourself somewhere where you don't need to move to take shots. Find a static position and ambush it from there. If you're lucky, good hiding places come ready-made. Maybe a thick tree trunk that casts you into shade, or a scattering of fallen branches that help to break up your human outline. Sometimes it's simply a case of adding one or two more branches to add to the effect. Of course, the important thing is that you can actually get shots through to your quarry. So when you're choosing a hiding place, you need to make sure that it offers you a nice wide arc of trees within range and without obstructions in between you and them. The last thing you want is a haze of low cover twigs in between you and where your quarry is likely to appear, obstructing your shots. Keeping still and choosing the right place are the first steps to concealment, but breaking up your human outline will take it to the next level. Camouflage clothing, greens, browns, blacks, greys and whites will add to that disruption, helping to break up that outline that wild creatures associate with a human. Just wearing camouflage clothing won't make you invisible though. Your face and hands can stand out like a beacon in the woodland environment. They're pink blobs that create an outline that wild creatures instantly associate with the human form. Just putting on a pair of camouflage gloves, a peaked cap that casts shade over your face, maybe a head net too, will help to hide those features that distinguish you as being human in the eyes of your quarry.